Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this body is designed here a combination spanner, and a combination spanner is a very useful and helpful very important this body, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today drafting is all point is discussed here one by one, and today drafting is available here in this sketch. And this combination spanner is a very useful, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay guys, this is a combination spanner, and this is a top view and this is a front view, and all drafting value is you can see here on the screen. And this all dimension in millimeter, and ellipse measurement, major axis is 60 millimeter and minor axis is 50 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, this combination spanner is designed here, and how to this body is designed, and this is the body is looking perfect, and all is correct. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and how to this body is designed to discuss here. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first drawing a part and select some basic point. Okay, this is document property and going to image quality, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, this geometry is, this drafting is used here. This body is designed, and at first drawing this length is 158.59 millimeter, and both this side is circle, and circle is this hexagon, and this side is a ellipse. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and drawing a center line connect to this. Okay, and mention this center line is a distance between 158.4 is correct. 158.59 means this is a 6. 158.6 is correct. Okay, and click ellipse. Ellipse is this, drawing this. Okay, and this side is drawing a circle. Okay, and this ellipse major axis is 60 millimeter and minor axis is 50 millimeter, 49.2 millimeter, and align a dimension. This major axis distance is a 60 millimeter, and minor axis is a 50 millimeter is better. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this circle is a drawing this circle 42 millimeter, and 30 millimeter is hexagon. 2 hexagon is drawing here, and this is a 42. This diameter is a 42. Okay, and drawing a 2 hexagon. First hexagon. Okay, click 2 hexagon. First is a click this, and this is a vertical, and the second hexagon is a some angle is drawing here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect drawing a this. Okay, and okay, this is a horizontal. Okay, and align a dimension. This is a 30, and again this is a also 30. Okay, this is a perfect. And some portion is trim here. Extra portion means this is a trim this to this, and okay, this is a trim. Okay, this to this. Okay, this portion is trim here because this design is created here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this to this, this to this. Okay, 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 this is a perfect. All is a delete here. Okay, this is a fully defined because all is black color. And next is a some drawing a center line, because this help of a drawing a center line, and this length is a some increase here, and drawing a center line, this connect to this point to this. Okay, and again this point to this. Okay, this is a perfect. And some angle is a this angle is a this angle is 17 degree. Okay, this is a 17 degrees. Perfect. Okay, and this is a black color, mean also this is a fully defined. And some use a offset command, and offset command is a this okay, this distance is a this, and offset is a this 13 millimeter. And okay, and this curve is drawing here, and this curve is 16.5 millimeter, and this 13. Okay, and this direction is 13 millimeter. Okay, and select bidirectional and select chain, click OK. This is a perfect, and click OK, and use this 3-point arc, connect to this point to this. Okay, this is a created a curve, and curve is a this align dimension is a 16.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a 16.5 millimeter, and this is a 13. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. And use a some extra portion is trim here, and this to this, and this to this. Okay, and okay, and also this is a okay, this 22. Okay, default value is a 22 point. Okay, this is a correct a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. But some this is a cutout is a 6. Okay, this is a 12 meter. Offset is both side, and use offset is a 12, and use a select chain bidirectional, and click OK. Click OK. And some extra portion is also delete here, this to, and this to this, and some is a delete here. Okay, and this portion is also delete here. Okay, and also this delete here, and this trim, and this trim, this to this trim is perfect. And also, and align dimension is this to this is a 12. Click OK. Both is a 12 millimeter, and this is a all is a fully defined because this is a black color and perfect. Okay, and use a extrude boss. Extrude boss is a both side. Okay, this is a correct, and click a mid plane and use a thickness is a 10 millimeter and this thickness 7 millimeter. Okay, this thickness is 10 millimeter and mid plane. Click OK, and also select this and extrude boss and click this, click a mid plane, and this is a 7 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect, and material is apply here. This is a polished nickel. Okay, and okay, and next is a this is a use a 32 millimeter is fillet and both side, and this is a 24 millimeter is both side fillet is used here. 32 millimeter and both side this to this. Okay, and 24 again select a 24 millimeter both side to this to this. Okay. Okay, and all is looking perfect, and again select a fillet 0.5 millimeter and click this to click this, and again select a this to this. Okay, this. Okay, all is looking perfect, and next is a this is a cutout. Cutout is a this 6 millimeter offset, and okay, this is not mentioned here. This cutout is 2 millimeters perfect. Okay, and okay, this is a select sketch. Okay, select and sketch and use a convert entities. Okay, and use offset. Offset is a 6 millimeter. Select chain and bidirectional and click OK. Okay, 6 millimeter is perfect. Click OK, and this 6 millimeter is cut out, and click a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a this is a counters. Select here this sketch, and this thickness is a 2 millimeter is perfect. Click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and this fillet is used here. This is a 2 millimeter, and all select this one by one is all is select here because this fillet is used. Then looking perfect. Okay, okay, this is a delete. Okay, one by one is this. Okay, sum this. Okay, again fillet is 2 mm and select this. Okay, use a 2 mm, select this. Okay, not mention here, this is a this. Okay, and again select a this 2 line, means this is a this line is perfect. And okay, this line is a this to this. Okay, this 3 is a okay, 3 is better, and click OK. This is a very nice looking here. And again select a front plane, and front plane is this, and use a mirror, and mirror is select here this cutout and fillet, both is select here, and one by one is control press a control button, and at first select a cut extrude and then fillet, click OK. This side is same, cutout is okay. This is a fully okay, this is a correct, and this is a fillet is also perfect. Okay, okay, and isometric view, and all point is a perfect, discuss here, and okay, all point is perfect and correct. Okay, and this combination spanner is complete, all process is learn here. Okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And guys, this body is a important design, and this is a wing nut design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Guys, today discuss here all 2D drafting is also available here, and this is a front view, and this is a top view, and this is right view, and this body is looking perfect. Okay, and this body is a wing nut design, and this is isometric view, and this body is a 2D drafting is also, and this is a top view and front view, and this right view. Okay, this is a help of this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and this body is looking perfect, and this body is very helpful. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and this body is looking perfect, and so nice looking here, and this thread is also available here, and this thread is a M7 multiply 1, M7 size 7 mm, and this is a size M7, and pitch is 1 mm, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, this body is designed, how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Guys, let's start here this body is design. Okay, okay, and at first select a part, and some setting is a very important. Image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and this plane is white. Okay, okay, all is perfect, and this 2D drafting is a okay. At first drawing this 24 millimeter. This circle is drawing here, and this circle is a 16 millimeter, and both side is a upward and downward. This is a 16 millimeter, and this back side is a 24 millimeter, and use this lofted boss and create this body, and this cutout is a 10 millimeter and use a thread. Okay, at first select a plane is top plane, and this is a plane is created here. Okay, and this length is 16 millimeter. Okay, this length is 16 millimeter, this is a 16 millimeter. Okay, and at first select a top plane, sketch, drawing a big circle, and big circle is 24 millimeter. Okay, this is a 24 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this is a correct, and exit, and select this plane, sketch, normal, and again select this circle is drawing a small, and this align a dimension, this diameter is a 16 millimeter is perfect, and exit, and both circle is drawing here. Okay, and both circle is drawing here easily and clearly, and use a lofted boss, and at first circle is automatic, this profile is select here, and next circle is select this. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a correct. Okay, and click, this is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this body is drawing here, and click OK, and this plane is hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay, this is a perfect, and this cutout is a 10 millimeter, and drawing a circle, and align this dimension, and this diameter is a 10 millimeter is cut out, and cutout is a through all, and extrude cut is apply here, and use a through all. Okay, through all is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this body is looking perfect. And next is use a thread. Thread is very important, and use a thread, and thread is this, click this. Okay, and apply this, and offset is a 3 millimeter, and direction is okay, this is a perfect. And guys, this is a very important point is discussed here, and this offset is 3 millimeter is direction is reverse direction, and this length is 20 millimeter, and metric type is very important, and size is M7, and pitch is 1. Okay, M7 multiply 1, size is M7, and pitch is 1 millimeter, and okay, all is this cut thread is okay, and this use a right-handed thread. Okay, all is perfect, and this thread is apply here, and this thread is activated this thread, and thread is very nice looking here, and material is apply here, and use a chromium plate. Okay, and this body is looking also okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and guys, next is okay, next is use here this is this wing is created here, and this length is 18 millimeter, and this distance is 20 millimeter, and this circle is drawing here, and this red diameter is 17 millimeter. Okay, at first select a right plane and sketch normal. Okay, and at first draw a center line and drawing a midpoint to this origin point and click OK. And this is this select a line edge and use a convert entities. Okay, and at first drawing a circle is this circle is drawing here, and this align a dimension, and this dimension is a 17 millimeter. Okay, okay, and this distance is a this to this okay, and this distance is a this to this is a 18 millimeter, and this to this distance is a 20 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect, and some line is created here, this to this. Okay, automatic select a tangent, and next is a next line is click here, and this to this. Okay, and also use this to this is a tangent. Okay, and trim, use this is a cutout. Okay, this wing is created here easily, and all dimension is perfect. Okay, and use a mirror, and mirror is a this all is select here and click this about this. Okay, and this wing is also created here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is better, and apply a extrude boss and select a mid plane, and this thickness is 5 millimeter because this thickness is 5 millimeter is correct, and click OK. This wing is also perfect, and some is hole is this space is created here, and okay, and sketch and use a convert entities and extrude boss. Extrude boss is 1 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a fulfill, and also use this sketch and convert entities and use a extrude boss, and 1 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a, and some use this body is extra, but this body is cut out, and select this face, sketch and use a convert entities and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a okay, this is a 5 millimeter, direction is downward, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and flip side to cut, click OK. Okay, not all is cut here. Okay, all is perfect. And next is use a, this is a very important point is discussed here. 1 millimeter and 1 millimeter, this is a correct, but this fillet is 1.2 millimeter and both side is correct fillet, and use a fillet is a 1.2 and select this first, second, and use this is a this to this, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. And also this click okay, and this edge is select here, and okay, this is a perfect. And click OK, and click this to this, and 0.5 is better. Okay, 0.5 is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect. And next is this is a correct. And next is all is perfect. This is a perfect. Okay, this is a, and also fillet is used here, and this is a 2 millimeter, and select this to okay 1, okay 0.5, okay, and click a fillet. Fillet is a 0.2, click this to this. Okay, and some important point is discussed here, and this fillet is used here, and this fillet is a okay, and this is a 4 is better. Okay, some point is a okay, this fillet is a both okay. Okay, this is undo is back side, and also create this extrude boss, and use a okay direction is downward, and use a flip side to cut, and this is a okay. Okay, and next is at first select a fillet. Fillet is this is a 1 millimeter, and select this okay, and this is a this to select this and this, and 2 millimeter is better. 2 millimeter is also 1.2 is 1.2 is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And next fillet is used here. 1.2 is select this and this and this, all 4 edges select here and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and use again fillet, and fillet is 0.5 millimeter, and this is a select here this first and second, and okay fourth, and this is use a fifth, and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and all is perfect and correct. This is a better, and all is perfect, and this is a correct. Okay. Okay guys, all point is discussed here. Guys, I hope you will learn all point is learned here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.